Hello everyone, welcome back to Millennial Mommyhood, and today I'm going to review this science kit from Amazon. This is a science kit which have been gifted by one of my friends for Dhruv's birthday, fourth birthday. And trust me, this is amazing. So if you are looking for something to buy, something related to science, experiments, and building curiosity and things in children, then this is an amazing buy. It suits from 4 to 8 years old. It's available on Amazon and the link is given in the description box. You can go and check it out. Comes with a lot of experiments and stuffs. They have given 20 exciting experiments which contains fizzy potions, fire, water firework, ocean in a bottle, color science experiment, making perfumes, bath bomb. There are a lot of them. So it's a STEAM education related, wherein they build your scientific temper of the child. They develop curiosity in your child, and there are a lot of things that the child will actually understand while doing these experiments. So it comes with a lot of equipments and a lot of chemicals as well to aid it. Remember that it contains choking hazard, which means it's not suited for children less than 3 years old, and even for other children, it is better to do under your supervision. So, this is how it looks like. So, when you open, they have given you different kinds of science kits which are available under them. So, you can go to their website and check out, but then they are available in Amazon also. You can go and check out from there. So, my little toddler is way too excited to open it. So, let me show you how it looks. So, they have a thank you card. This is an instruction manual which contains all the experiments in details, including what things are needed, what have to be mixed first, what have to be mixed next, and so on. You don't have to worry at all. Like, even if you're a newbie, this is going to give you a complete picture of the entire thing. I'll show you that at the end. And these are three different powders which have been given with it, chemicals which have been given with it. The first one is cornstarch. All these things are told as food grade, which means they are safe, but then still don't let your child eat all these things. So cornstarch, baking soda, and citric acid. And then you have food colors in three colors, that is yellow, blue, and red. Then you have lemongrass aroma bag like this, and then you have peppermint aroma bag, which is also sealed in a zip pouch like this. Now, when you open this one, this is the toolkit which contains all the tools which are required for doing these experiments. So what you need to do is you have to just open it, and you can see all these things are inside it, which contains beakers, conical flask, and the mold for bath bombs. You have straw, you have perfume spray bottles, you have funnel, you have spoon, you have spatula, and everything that you will require. Everything is in plastic form, very lightweight and easy for children to carry, and they will never break. Like if they are in glass, then there are chances that children can actually break it, but then these are relatively safe. And then there is a tray also at the bottom which you can use for keeping it mess free. I particularly love this entire set because they are so easy to use for children and you don't have to worry at all. So over here I'm showing you how this is a small tiny beaker in which they have to go and bring water, and we'll be doing experiments based on that. So I've set up this small experiment of color mixing. I've shown you a couple of experiments here. I've not covered a lot, but I'm going to show you the manual so you will understand what are the kind of experiments which are included in it. Remember how I told you this tray helps a lot to keep your workstation mess free. It just takes up any spill or anything that is happening from the side of the child. But look at this is how the colors change when you mix yellow and blue together, and it's really surprising for the child, and they literally love moving it from here to there. So these are the different color mixing experiments that they have shown. I'll show you the next one wherein we are mixing color blue and color red to get color purple. So this is how it is, and I'm using this straw. I've given the straw to my child to mix it up well, and see, look at the curiosity in their eyes. They are like so excited. See how they change the colors. So very interesting for the child to keep them glued. So if you are having a preschool, play school, daycare, or you have a child, or you're a teacher or anything, this kit is something which will definitely help out a lot. Color mixing activities are super bomb, but other than that there are also some other activities which we are going to do now, and I'm sure that he's going to enjoy it a lot. Now in this, the purple color which is mixed, we are going to pour yellow color and look at it turn into brown, and look at the excitement in my child's face. So this is it, and now I'm going to show you another experiment which turned out to be really fun, and I personally loved it a lot. So it's like a magic fizzy potion. We are mixing baking soda, like 2 spoons of baking soda and 2 spoons of citric acid powder into this beaker, and then what we are going to do is we are going to fill in with water, colored water. You can choose any kind of color. We have chosen red over here, so that comes out as like pink fizzy potion kind of thing. Now you see when you add this and when you put this red liquid, how it turns out to be the fizzy potion. So here it is. It's so interesting. I mean, look at that excitement again. It's so interesting. Actually, for birthday parties also it's fun, wherein you can show these experiments to children who are coming for a birthday party, like small ones, and they will literally love it a lot. So this is the instruction manual which comes with this entire kit, and I told you these are the activities of making green color, making purple color, and then you have making brown color, then you have chroma illusion, and then the next experiment. So all these experiments hardly take like 5 minutes to do it. And the best part is that you can keep on doing it again and again, and your child will never be bored of these things. All these things are also very easily available in the market. So, if in case you run out of it, you can again buy these things and do it again and again. And also, there are some additional things also which are used in this experiment. For example, you use water, you use oil, the regular vegetable oil, and these things are actually something which is just available in house. So if you have liked it, go and check the link in the description box, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.